Y'all, I knew this little freaking, why are you doing this, sweetie? I got this little clamp light. I'm gonna show y'all. I got this. See how my camera look? See, that's because it's cracked, but I got this, right? And you see how dull it is without it? It's like, girl, it's not giving boo. So let me go ahead and put that back on. Look at that. I just paid $16 for this versus paying $200 to get the phone fixed right now. So I just saved hella money. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. So I think I should do a daily vlog, you know what I'm saying? Because my mom is doing a, what's the thing called when you bring all different foods? Potluck. So today the Ravens is playing, and that's my family team, period. So we're gonna do a potluck, and I decided to make bean burger because that's my favorite thing in the world. Like, if you don't eat bean burger, what are you doing? So I'm about to go ahead and cook this bean burger, straighten up, because you know it's Sunday, so that's like the reset day. So I really don't have to do too much cleaning besides the bathroom, because the kitchen is straightened, and then I gotta straighten the clothes and stuff, like my laundry and all that. So I'm not gonna show you guys that because it's not really much to do. But I'm about to show you guys me whipping the whip. But I swear to goodness, I'm a chef now. Like, girl, it's like you move out on your own and now you think you're not a cook. Who? Before we get this video started, please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Come on, y'all. It don't take nothing to hit that subscribe button, please. Anyways, let's get straight into it. Alright, y'all, so this is what I got in my oven. Got the red onion, that's my favorite onion. These little itty bitty eggs. Okay, I got two of them because I figured they would be small, but it's the only one they had on there. I can't. Why is this frozen? Okay, so I can't cook it until I defrost the damn meat. All right. And I got about 3 cans of this 28 ounce country style because I didn't know how big it was, so I couldn't remember. So I got 3 cans of these. And this is the only thing that I had ordered from DoorDash because I have bacon I'm gonna add, and I have like the sugar, cinnamon, and all that already here. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this ground beef in the sink with some water and let it defrost for like, it probably defrost in like an hour or 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and cook it. All right, y'all, so it's about an hour later, maybe a little over an hour later. Your girl got carried away with cleaning, and I was watching TV and all that.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about.
Hey y'all, so I am dressed. Your girl ain't feel like doing her edges, so I just put some oil on them, brush them back, and do this headband on. But I have like this two-piece gray, I guess, athletic wear on. And I finished the bean burger, as you guys saw. I did a little bit of cleaning. I had to finish the rest when I come back in because I'm running behind time. So now I'm waiting on my lift. It should be about to pull up. And then we're going to go down there. Well, go down to my mother's house and I'll show you all the type of food. I think they said we got banana bread with candy pieces in there. Never had it. My bean burger that I made, some salmon cake, some deviled eggs, and some other stuff. We'll just have to see once we get down there. But on my way out the door, the pan just completely folded in half, bro. I'm so irritated. Like, girl, this is carpet. Dang. So this is all we got left. Still a good amount, but still, like, I'll be back. I had to end up using the lid as a bottom because the place is so fragile at this point. This big stain. I cleaned it with some Lysol wipes and some Clorox wipes because I didn't want no sticky residue to be stuck in the carpet. Odor eliminated on top of it just to grab all the juices. And I'm about to vacuum it. And then add some more before leaving out. And then tomorrow I'll get some salsa water just to get the stain out. But I got majority of the stickiness and all that out. I feel like I got almost all of it. But I'm not fitting stressed because we're stressing for what? It ain't going to get us nowhere. So let's just go ahead, vacuum this and head down to my mama's house.
Professional, very physical, and it's a right elbow.
Girl, it ain't, they just saw it, it ain't changed.
This is it. Nice move by to range for Hopkins. Watching the game smartly. Throws it into the...
Let me say that?
Yeah. Leave.
Welcome back to my Kiara's Social Week channel. Today we're going to be doing the Chamoy cookie kit. Period. I'm Hermes.
All right, what she said. What comes in these kits? Yeah, I know.
Hot Cheetos. You got the fruit roller.
Chamoy, Pickle.
That's the powder. That's called the powder. That's the
Fuego powder.
Oh, that's the liquid?
No. Extra hot liquid. Spicy chamoy. That's what it says.
Then we got
Candy.
Then we got the locust powder.
Look at this. Salsa Gaddy. Salsa Gaddy.
Then we got
Two now.
for me. We got Swickleys gummies. They're red and they look sour.
She ordered this off the line from Bustin' Snacks. That's
Oh yeah, put the other one on.
Oh, okay. Oh, you want me to do it?
We gonna cut the tips off. We gonna bite
No,
it.
I would just cut it open.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Cut it not all the way through.
No, like this, halfway. So you're
I
gonna
cut it.
stuff the pickle
Or
like,
we gonna mess it up.
you're gonna cut it like
I
that.
think my gum's supposed to be in here.
So you wanna be?
Alright, there you go. Don't cut your hair, we're gonna gut that out.
Alright, what you want?
Go ahead, cut it.
You mean gut it out? You supposed to gut it out.
Yeah, the middle, you gotta stuff it.
Put it on there.
You got a spoon right there. Do it. Gut this
It look
out,
good.
just a little bit. To be able to put it,
It ain't even cut.
you gotta stick the
Stuff right in
tip
the
in there
middle.
first.
Yeah, look at that juice
That makes
coming out.
it big.
I'm scared on
Got
her.
some.
I tried the juice already when it came on my hand.
This is a little it got like the seeds. Alright, yeah. And Cheetos. We're gonna wrap it last because the way we cut it. First we're gonna put the hot Cheetos.
Open this, child. Oh, girl, I done opened it wrong, but I don't know how to open it that way. So we gonna open it this way.
Ooh, it smells like. Ooh, that's sour. Ooh,
Yeah.
these shrimp. Dang, what's this?
That's the spicy chamoy.
Oh, this will make it spicy.
Okay.
Oh, I
That's
open this.
drizzle.
I think this is the spicy part.
Ooh, something up my nose.
Like this, you had broken.
No, I just put the top off. It is
Baby.
it's not a sweet and sour.
Put
It's
some
just
on this one.
There's the powder is sweet.
I like that.
That's the powder. That's the what's the
Oh
name?
yeah, I smell it a little bit. It's
It's
nice.
tickling my nose.
Yeah,
Right, it took my note too.
Yo,
I'm kind of sort of stretched.
oh my god.
Oh, but no, that's mine. That's hers. That's hers. That's mine.
Yeah, we done our see.
is that everything?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I said Chamoy.
Y'all ready?
Wait, hold it up.
Okay. Here we go.
Going back a little bit, Kenny. There's 8 flowers. There's one. Looks like there's a shot by 8 flowers. There's linebackers actually coming.
You're extra.
You
like it?
Not bad, but good.
I kind of like it. Okay.
Taste the pickle.
What was the point?
It tastes like a spicy pickle.
Right. Like, no, it's not really spicy. It's like,
First of all,
I don't like that.
none of this stuff go together to me.
mm-hmm.
Not one single.
It tastes like a spicy pickle. You don't taste the sweetness. Maybe let me get a
Let
little
me
bit
taste
more
the
of
piece
sugar.
of the.
Let me try a little bit more of that sugar. That might change.
Nasty. I don't like it.
Let me taste everything separate. Now these right here, these they call them, these schwinkles, sauce-gatty, they good. I'm eating them by themselves. They good. Roll up is good. But it's too much going on for me. I ain't ready to do it. Let's taste this pound.
I'm scared. That shit like.
You know what? Ooh! I'm not a chamoy girl. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Too much chamoy. Huh? I don't know the flavor.
The chamoy, that's the flavor of it.
Let me
They
taste
got
this
regular
pickle.
chamoy sauce. I like it.
Tastes like a spicy ass pickle to me.
Mm-mm.
4 touchdowns. And Mark Andrews. That's the guy named Travis Kelce. The guy. Who will be the king of the North? All 4 teams with high records, all in
Let's try this bread pudding.
17-6 against the other divisions. Cincinnati trailing Houston by 10.
Wow.
Pittsburgh leading Great Bay.
And it's not just that they beat the other teams in other divisions.
I don't like the
Business against those other teams. We saw blowouts after shutout.
the flavor is good, but
Shutout the Cardinals.
I think the wet bread.
Against was supposed to be the best.
That throw me completely off. Alright, y'all. So now I am back in the house. This is probably gonna be a short video because I really didn't record that much of us watching the game because I was still irritated about me. Let me turn this down. Blinding me, child. I was still irritated about me dropping the bean burger on my carpet. Just looking at this thing right now is irritating me even more. But I was trying to look up videos on how to, you know, get stains out of carpet, and they were saying like, first of all, they were saying baking soda and vinegar cancel out each other, but it don't work. But some people say it do work. So, and then they said just baking soda and water, scrubbing it, let it sit 20 minutes, and then like soaking it up with like a white rag or sponge to do it. So I think first thing I'm gonna try is the baking soda and the water, and scrubbing it and letting it sit for 20 minutes. Then we're gonna go from there.
The presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stockings there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Decide you like yourself, when you decide you need someone, when you don't have to